Hey everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to fix TurboTax crashing issues quickly. Yeah, if the program keeps closing unexpectedly or crashes while you're using it, it can be really frustrating, especially when you're in the middle of your taxes. But most of the time, it's actually easy to solve once you follow a few simple steps. So first, make sure your TurboTax software is fully updated. Yeah, updates often fix bugs and compatibility issues that can cause crashes. Next, check that your computer meets the system requirements. Low memory, an outdated operating system, or insufficient storage can make TurboTax unstable. So free up space or update your OS if needed. After that, temporarily disable your antivirus or firewall. Sometimes security software mistakenly blocks parts of TurboTax, causing it to crash during use. Also, close any unnecessary programs running in the background. Too many apps open at once can overload your system and make TurboTax unstable. And yeah, if you're using TurboTax online, clear your browser cache or switch to a different browser. Stored data or cookies can interfere and make the site crash. Finally, restart your computer and try running TurboTax again. Most of the time, these steps should stop the crashing and get everything working smoothly. Hope this helped, and I'll see you in the next one.